dash. Turtle animals that can live forever. What if death wasn't the end? What if some creatures on Earth had already beaten time itself while humans age, weaken, and die? There are animals that keep living, healing, and regenerating seemingly without limits. In this video, we'll uncover the mysterious beings that can live for centuries, or even forever. Get ready to meet the true immortals of the natural world. Jellyfish. Deep in the Mediterranean Sea drifts a tiny creature called Turritopsis dohrnii, the immortal jellyfish. This jellyfish has discovered the closest thing to eternal life known to science. When it grows old, injured, or faces danger, it doesn't die. Instead, it performs something extraordinary: it reverses its aging process. Its adult cells transform back into youthful cells, restarting its life cycle completely. It's like being born again, over and over. In theory, it could live forever unless it's eaten. A tiny body with a godlike power, the ability to defeat time. Hydra, the eternal regenerator. In quiet freshwater ponds lives a small creature called the Hydra. It might look simple, but scientists call it biologically immortal. Its body constantly renews its cells. Old ones are replaced before they ever have a chance to age. If a hydra is cut into pieces, each piece can regrow into a full new organism. In laboratories, hydras have survived for decades with no signs of aging at all. They simply regenerate endlessly, rewriting the rules of life and death. The giant tortoise. Far from the ocean depths, on land, walks one of nature's slowest but longest living creatures, the giant tortoise. Some of these gentle giants have lived for more than 200 years. Their slow heartbeat and calm way of life protect their cells from damage. They live without stress, move slowly, and take life one peaceful day at a time. Jonathan, a famous tortoise born in 1832, is still alive today, older than the invention of the light bulb. For them, time is not an enemy. It's just another slow step forward. The planarian flatworm. Imagine an animal that can regrow its entire body from a single cell. That's the planarian flatworm. If you cut one in half, both halves regenerate into complete new worms. If you cut it into 20 pieces, 20 new worms will form. Its body is made of special stem cells capable of becoming any kind of cell: brain, muscle, or heart. Planarians are practically indestructible. They never age, and their ability to regenerate may hold the key to human healing in the future. Science looks at them and wonders, are these creatures the secret to immortality? 6. The Greenland shark. In the cold, dark Arctic waters swims a living legend, the Greenland shark. It grows extremely slowly, barely 1 centimeter each year. And that's part of its secret. Because its body functions so slowly in icy temperatures, it ages almost in slow motion. Scientists have discovered that some Greenland sharks are more than 500 years old. That means they were alive before the first telescopes were built, before electricity, before modern history even began. To them, centuries are just another swim through the cold. 7. The ocean quahog clam. Hidden under the seafloor is another timeless being, the ocean quahog clam. This quiet mollusk can live for more than 500 years. One clam, named Ming, was born in 1499 before America was discovered and lived until 2006. Its shell holds the record of half a millennium of Earth's climate and history. It didn't just live long, it witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations. 9. What we can learn. These animals prove that immortality isn't just a myth, it's a biological possibility. Their unique DNA, regeneration, and resistance to aging inspire scientists searching for cures to human aging. Maybe, deep within these creatures, lies the secret to eternal life. From the immortal jellyfish to the ancient shark, each of them reminds us that nature still holds mysteries we can barely understand. So, can humans ever become immortal? Maybe not yet. But these creatures show us that the limits of life can be stretched farther than we ever imagined. As science continues to explore, the dream of endless life moves closer to reality. Until then, the oceans and forests will continue to hide their timeless guardians. Creatures that live, breathe, and defy death itself. This is VividNova, where nature meets mystery.